So anybody that is doing any search engine optimization on Amazon, I am going to plug my awesome Amazon SEO book, all right? And I know Elke's already got this, so no worries there, Elke. So all you need to do is go to amazon.com.au, type in Amazon SEO. Lo and behold, this is the top spot. It's a cool book, great value, tons of awesome information in it, all right? So start with that, because you'll learn at a whole different level all about SEO on Amazon, at a whole different level. Here's what I found. If you are struggling to get yourself listed, well, let's take something like, here you go, something that I know you use all the time when you're out and about, Elke. Stubby coolers, all right? Actually, that's probably a flipping awesome thing to sell on amazon.com.au, stubby coolers. Quick aside, let's just have a quick look. See if there's any search traffic for stubby coolers on .com.au. 5,500 people, the survey said. 5,500 people. Okay, cool. So there's some search volume there too, which is cool. All right, so if I was selling stubby coolers and I was wanting to get myself listed and indexed, what we found now on Amazon, Elke, is that individual words are being indexed over phrases. So if you want to get your product listed and then ranked and indexed, and if you don't know what index means, it just means that Amazon has linked up your product with a word. So stubby cooler, this product here has been indexed for that one of those words, or possibly both of those words. Let's have a quick look. I'll show you how you check. So Elke, the first thing for you to do is to do what I'm just about to do, which is to check what words I've been indexed for on Amazon. The way you do that is you take the ASIN number, that's the ASIN number just there, come back to Amazon, set that to all, and then take your main search term, in this case stubby cooler, and we're just going to put the ASIN number and the word, and one word at a time together. Hit search, and you can see here it says one result for stubby linked to that ASIN number. Let's just check cooler. Cooler. So they're also linked for cooler, okay? So just to show you what I mean, now if I was trying to also rank for the word giraffe, and I wanted to see if my product was also indexed for the word giraffe, and I searched that, you can see now no results found. So now let's pretend I want to get my product indexed and ranking for the word giraffe, because I'm already indexed and ranking for stubby. I'm already indexed and ranking for the word cooler. Now I want to get ranking for giraffe. All right, I'm just going to quickly pause my screen while I log into one of my Amazon Seller Central accounts. That one will do. All right, so you should now be able to see Amazon Seller Central account. Just let me know that you can see that on the screen. Somebody just let me know that that's all come up. Yes, Neil. No, Neil. We can't see anything, Neil. What are you talking about, Neil? So if you can see, thank you, Hitan. That's great, mate. Appreciate that. Thanks, Dave. All right, thanks, Elke. All right, so I have found, so normally you add your keywords in here, okay? I have found that if I'm struggling to get a particular word indexed on Amazon, then if I put that in this area here, the subject matter, it always gets indexed. Every single time it gets indexed. So I don't know why. You can add more, of course. You can add it to 5. I don't know why, but if I'm struggling to get a word index, like giraffe, for instance, for a product, and if I put it in subject matter, I get it indexed, and typically it takes an hour at the most to get indexed. So Elke, if you are struggling to get something indexed, then look at what words initially you are indexed for by doing that little check I've just shown you. And then whichever are not indexed, add them into the subject matter field. And all you do is you put one word in one area, okay? Don't do anything crazy like putting 20 words in there. One word in those area, that's it. And you will find that that will get indexed, no worries at all. And then as soon as you're indexed for it, take it out of the subject matter, put it into your search terms. Take it out and put it in somewhere else, because you've already used that area to get yourself ranked and indexed, and now its work is done. You're going to take it out of the subject matter, put it into search terms, all right? Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.